Hello my friends, David Kessler here and welcome back to the studio. Today I want to talk to you about Kajabi. What in the world is Kajabi? I've had a lot of questions lately about what online platform do I use for my online courses and various things, and Kajabi is my platform of choice. Kajabi is kind of a one-stop platform for all the kind of stuff that you might need to do classes, online classes. You can do membership sites. You can do your website with it. You can have it as your email service provider. They do landing pages, opt-in pages, automation, sales funnels, you name it. It's a one-stop shop for all the kind of stuff that you might need to do online. Now, if you're a fairly sophisticated artist and you have a lot of different pieces and parts, you might have one membership site, you might use another thing for your online courses, you might use a separate website provider or a separate email service provider or a separate this for landing pages and a separate that for automations. Look, if you go with Kajabi, you can do everything in one place. Plus, you know, they give you some cool swag like this, right? I mean, for your first $10,000 you make or whatever, you get a t-shirt, $50,000 you get a, you know, like a sweatshirt and all this other kind of stuff. The greatest thing I like about Kajabi, what I think is the greatest thing about it, is the people at Kajabi are seriously bought into the fact that they want you to succeed. That's it. They want you to be successful in any kind of online ventures that you have, whether you're creating a membership class, you know, a monthly subscription service, an online course. It doesn't matter. They want you to succeed. And they give you incentives to do that. It's just an amazing company. I mean, I've been with them for a little over 2 or 3 years, I guess. And you know what I also like is they're totally, always, constantly upgrading and making the thing better. Not only for you as the guy behind the person behind the screen, like the Wizard of Oz, but for your users. And that's really the key, right? Making it more easily usable for the people that use your courses or your membership sites, or you know, whatever it is, however it is that you interact with your customers. You know, they're there to make it easier for you to do that and make it a better user experience for your users. And that's really what we're all trying to do. I'll put a link in the description below so that you can go to Kajabi and check it out for yourself, see what kind of great things they do, see how many things they do sort of under one roof, so to speak. And I think they have a 14-day free trial where you can get in there, look around, poke around, experiment with things, see how things work. And you're not obligated to stay with them beyond that. But I think you will. I mean, once you investigate it, I think you're going to be so amazed by all the things the platform will do that there won't be any going back for you. And for all of the things, if you're paying for multiple pieces and parts, and you can put everything under one roof with one fee per year, oh, it's a whole lot easier than stitching together, you know, a lot of miscellaneous pieces and parts here and there. So I highly recommend Kajabi as a platform. They're going to go to the link at the bottom, check them out, see what they can do, and they will help you be more successful in all of your online ventures. Hope this was helpful for you. I know a lot of people that use Kajabi and they're thrilled with it. And I know you will be too. If you think this is good, please share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do that. Leave me some comments, what you think about it. If you use Kajabi, what you think about it. If you're looking for a place, you know, let me know about that. If you have suggestions for future videos, leave me some comments on that so I can address any questions or comments or issues, subject matter that you may have. And I would love to do that for you. And I hope this was helpful for you, and I'll see ya on the next video. Thanks.